Hey everyone, today we're going to be going over the S130 280ZX quick steering knuckle product overview. We're going to go over what's included, the construction of them, our QC process, and some base settings. Follow along, it's going to be a rather quick video. Included is just going to be a pair of quick steering knuckles, rather simple. They're manufactured out of a billet block of steel and they're zinc plated for corrosion resistance. These are really beefy, they're going to take just about anything you can throw at them. Finally is going to be our QC process. The first things that we always do is we check the center bores with our micrometer, then we check the tapered fits. Now our tapers match both the factory ones, so you can run the factory ball joint, as well as our Apex engineered ball joint. We also check the tie rod taper. That concludes most of our QC process on this. Because these are machined on a CNC, there's really not that besides just the more critical areas that we do. We call them our quick steering knuckles for one crucial reason. If you notice that the outsidemost hole is about 10 millimeters shorter than the hole on the factory steering knuckles. This ensures a quicker ratio, so you're able to have a more high performance as far as angle of your wheel. The ratio is going to be quicker, so as you turn your wheel, you're going to be able to turn in a lot quicker. We also have another hole for 30 millimeters shorter than factory. We highly advise against using this for any sort of daily driving. If it's a dedicated race car, you can go ahead and use this. But this gets really aggressive. It's great for when you autocross it, even some entry-level drift stuff. But overall, it's a very aggressive ratio and it'll get very twitchy on the highway and higher speeds. So overall, that pretty much concludes the product overview of the S130 quick steering knuckle. If you have any other questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. Thanks again and subscribe.